At T.A.G.S, Total Anti-Graffiti Solutions, we believe every child deserves a safe, clean place to play. Over time, playground Softfall sand can become contaminated with debris, litter, and hidden hazards. That's why T.A.G.S is proud to offer our professional Softfall sand cleaning service, designed to keep your playground safe and sound. Our advanced cleaning system removes rubbish, organic matter, and fine particles, refreshing the sand to meet safety standards and extend its life. With T.A.G.S, you get more than just clean sand. You get peace of mind. Cleaner, safer, and ready for fun. That's the T.A.G.S promise. T.A.G.S, Total Anti-Graffiti Solutions, protecting our playgrounds one clean at a time.
Machine with our care, your playground safe, your peace is there. Clean, sand, safe play, that's how we do it right. Debris, litter, nature's mess, we sift it out, we leave no stress. Array, hit, compact, renew, so Softfall works just like new. We top it up, we even restore the perfect depth that children adore. From schools to parks, wherever you are, we bring safety close, we raise the bar. We sanitize, we filter fine, we meet the standards every time. We press rewind, we heal the ground, so every leap is safe and sound. Clean, sand, safe play, every single day. From the top to deep below, we help it stay this way. With our machine, with our care, your playground safe, your peace is there. Clean, sand, safe play, that's how we do it right. No shards of glass, no hidden waste, no compacted sand, no dangerous taste. We breathe in life, we let it flow, so kids can run and leap and know. Clean, sand, safe play, every single day. From the top to deep below, we help it stay this way. With our machine, with our care, your playground safe, your peace is there. Clean, sand, safe play, that's how we do it right. Clean, sand, safe play, let kids joyfully run, jump, we bring the shine, you bring the fun. Together under the shining sun.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel by clicking the link X.